Wait, I have to find my ring. This is Dylan, Annalisa's boyfriend. He's driving us this morning. Okay, let's go. We're in Chicago, and now we have an hour layover. No way! It was long. It was a long day. Turks Caicos. Wow. This is good. Is there alcohol in here? Oh wow.
If you want.
Oh, what the heck?
She's like,
wait,
no,
what?
no.
If you want.
No, it's okay. We'll do it.
I have one more picture you can open.
Okay. Beautiful.
Yeah,
this is so good. No, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your help. Okay, hey guys, so we just made it to our villa. We landed from the airport. This is where we're staying. Oh my God! It's so nice. I want to go swimming. I know, I'm literally in shock. They surprised us with drinks and everything. And the fridge is packed with protein and bagels and eggs, and we have everything ready. So right now we're trying to log into Spotify, but it's not really working. Good job.
Some people, they do, like sometimes they play.
Right now, before we go swimming, we just we just devoured this whole entire thing of turkey because we're so freaking hungry. We didn't really eat on the plane. We snacked on some nuts.
Mind you, there's 5 of us right now, so.
4.
Well, your brother.
He ate this.
You
We got
finished
lots of
it.
cheese that we're snacking on.
Create an account for Spotify and just use it. Spotify.
Here, you don't know this title? No.
What? You want to race?
No. I literally not. I don't even know what you did. Get away from me.
Fit asked. What was fit?
Alexxandra.
We're going to the club. We're going with my brother and all my friends. So let's go. You're bringing your water? Yeah.
Hola!
What?
Look at the camera.
You're so good at being candid.
I am a good father.
This is our response.
We're off to the beach. Each, let's go away. This one you We're going on a walk. It's currently 10 a.m. We're going on a walk. We're gonna hit 10K steps, hopefully. This is our outfits. Where's yours from?
Mine's from Lulu. This is from Aritzia.
And then these shorts are from Target. The sports bra is from Lulu. And then these shoes are Noble. Joe Fresh, Walmart, and New Balance. Yeah! So right now we just got back from our little walk. We are having...
I picked you up.
It was a little walk. It was a solid 10-minute walk that we went on, but it's better than nothing. And right now we got coffees and we're just having breakfast. We made eggs, bacon, bagels, and yeah. Your stomach's gonna feel better if you eat, by the way. Guys, so we have been here a couple days. It's actually our second or third day, and it's our first time actually making food at home. We've been making breakfast every day, getting in the eggs, bacon, bagels, and peanut butter, just the usuals. And usually we've been going out for dinner, but today we decided to stay home and cook. And of course we are making some ground beef over here with pasta. And we got our little drinks and lots of cheese because we all love cheese.
We are a family.
Oh, it's okay. That's only one pack of pasta.
Yeah.
Or is the bowl like really big?
The bowl is really big.
It will be good. Because it's made with love.
Is it?
Yeah. So, might as well. I like bowls. Yeah, I think those are good.
These?
Yeah. This is our dinner. A nice big bowl of pasta.
Cheers. So tomorrow you have your birthday.
Yeah.
All the best to you.
I know.
Not getting ready yet, but
I see my dream. Every day I see my dream. Every day I see my dream.
So small.
What's there?
put it away.
Look, it's opening its mouth.
Okay, no. Don't do that.
Shake your booty. Shake your
Can you get more basic than that? Can you get more basic than that? Where the fuck were you hiding this?
She was actually cute though.
Too, so.
Yeah, Ola, she was.
Come here.
Yeah, I told go, you bought.
He's coming. Yes.
You sure?
Let's go, Taya.
We just celebrated Ola's birthday. She was doing the Dougie. She was doing singing all sorts of songs. I don't know.
Taya is.
Okay, we're surprising Ola with
We're getting ready right now.
with her 24th birthday. Okay, wait. This is how it looks. Cake over here, some snackies. Girls are
No!
no. Tata!
I worked so hard.
Hi, baby. I missed you.
Good.
Where did you guys get a cake from? I'm so freaking hungry.
Surprise!
I'm the best friends ever.
Hola.
Happy birthday! Alexxandra. You guys ready? Yeah. Yeah, ready, Freddy's?
Whoa. You have a set of flippers for him?
For him?
Yeah. Like a
Patience is a virtue.
I'm not very virtuous.
Woo. Wobble, wobble. Thanks. What do I need?
Over here is okay. For the weeks.
What a gentleman. Do I jump in with the thing in my mouth?
Fix this one over.
we saw it. I know. That's so warm. Get on. So warm. You guys go right now. I know. Maybe it's gonna be extra lucky because it's my birthday. Oh my god. Get out. Hey guys, so today is my 24th birthday and I turned 24. And we're just going out to dinner. We were on the boat literally all freaking day long and it was so much fun, but I'm honestly exhausted. I just want to come home and watch Perfect Match on Netflix and relax at this point, but we still got a couple hours to go, so yeah. Let me show you all my outfit as well. This is my outfit. The top is from like a little thrift store from Florida and the skirt is from H&M. And then the shoes are my mom's. So I don't know about the shoes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ola.
Okay, well, we're gonna eat all of this. Do we have any plates? No. We need to do the dishes.
A gdzie wy macie te shots? Ej, what is the shots?
No more.
No more.
Oh, what?
Oh,
We love Alex. Just because you're mean.
Shout out to the camera. I see. Nice. Shout out to the camera. Hi everybody. Hi everybody.
Diet Coke. Like 3 months ago.
Oh, lepsze, this is better.
The same thing.
This is better. This is not much sweet.
Too much sweet?
It's too much sweet.
One more?
Eat, much eat.
Oh, well, I love some of those. Okay, no problem. No, you like the flowers. I'll leave you the flowers. Yeah, we can eat it. Don't worry. We're just gonna eat it. Everything. We just got back from dinner and we're having tea now.
Relax so much.
What do you mean?
Yeah, no, I didn't know that.
All you have, the biggest piece.
Everybody happy? Good. Yeah.
No.
Are you on your period?
We all are.
Somebody.
Whoa.
They are.
Okay.
I'm not.
Okay, alright.
Hey, if
I'm
somebody.
not talking to 4 strikes right now.
I'm not.
For $100?
And you eat all of this?
That's why you're the nicest.
She just finished. She just finished. She just got it. I'm
Oh,
supposed
so
to
that's why she's eating the biggest piece.
No. No, I'm not doing that.
$200 to eat all of this cake.
No.
Buddy, we can do it for free.
Yeah.
No, but
One
no, but
person, like
I will buy
you
the
just.
cake.
The occasion.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Birthday is like chocolate. Vanilla. Red velvet. Excusez-moi. Oh, thank you, Alex.
Oh, excusez-moi.
Okay guys, so that's it for the vlog. I hope you enjoyed some reality and know that I'm not all about fitness. Fitness is my life, but it's a part of my life. It's not my entire life, and I feel like that is key. Anyways, thank you for watching. Come back for more. This is gonna sound so basic, but like, comment, subscribe. Anyways, yeah, see ya.